What's up, YouTube family? Good news is I'm driving that FRS. Bad news is it's horribly misaligned. And when I'm going straight, or when I'm attempting to go straight, it wants to go towards a wall. And we all know I don't like walls. So I'm headed to Nissan in Pembroke Pines because my buddy Jonathan is going to hook me up with an alignment and hopefully some air for my Tyrese. But yeah, it's quite dirty in here. Dirty. Look at all that tire dust. Still got some dirt and stuff from when I went off course. A couple water bottles and some papers and some clothes possibly, and some stuff that was rubbing on my brake rotor, aka the brake shield. So hopefully I'll videotape when I get there. If not, hopefully his car's there and he lets me drive it. I won't hit a wall though, I promise. But yeah, I'm excited to be back in this car again. It's been a while, and I'm excited to get some good gas mileage instead of like 11 miles per gallon like in the Expedition. So we're gonna have her up and running here soon. I don't know what alignment specs I'm gonna go with first. I guess I need to figure that out before I get there. But we'll see how it goes and see how she drives afterwards. Oh yeah, got me some snacks, because you never know when you're gonna get stuck in traffic in South Florida. See ya.
All these hoes on my body, cut the bullshit. All these hoes, they ain't loyal, y'all looking stupid. I just left Starlets and I ain't even cash out back. I straight to
One, you could just sit it on the ground, that'll work. There you go, keep going. Keep going. There you go. All right, so now the wheel's ready to come off. All right, let's get to it. We're gonna put this one on. We already got one side. Let's go show the people the other side, puppy. Looks nice. Fitment is pretty much perfect. He helped a lot. Well, he basically did it by himself. Oh man, that looks good. Greg, I don't know if you're gonna get these wheels back on me. I might just keep them. I'll PayPal you some money. I love you, man. We looking good. I'm gonna close you in. We might be able to make that Orlando event today. We'll see. We'll see if it rubs in just a minute. All right, Poppy, go all the way to the left. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Woohoo! Yeah, that'll look nice. Keep it right there. That'll look real nice. All right, other side. Man, I really like these wheels. Yeah, Greg, you aren't getting these back, homie. Perfect. All right, sweet. So, I'm hot. I got long sleeves on. I don't know why I did this to myself. But we're about to go test drive it. See how it works. Might do a little slide. What did you say? Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, man. Yeah, we're going to go test drive it. Probably go pick up some AR parts, because we're building an AR. And we'll see. I guess I'll look and see what time the Orlando event starts. See if we can make it. See if we can get packed and fed by then. If not, we'll just make the next one. And Greg, I'll probably end up keeping your wheels. I'll send you some money. But yeah, you should have never done this. I know you're being a good friend and I love you for it, but these look amazing on this car. Absolutely amazing. I just hope it fixes the rubbing issue. It looks like it's not gonna make contact. Oh Lord, he's getting a little happy in there. It looks like it's not making contact with the inner tie rod anymore, or not inner, outer tie rod anymore. So we'll see, and I'll update you after this video. Boop.